Human connection is a paradox. The more we crave it, the more it eludes us. True attraction arises not from desperate pursuit, but from presence, virtue, and self-mastery. The Stoics remind us that our relationships reflect our inner harmony. As Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." So, what do the simple words "good night" signify? They are an invitation to explore our inner strength and embody Stoic principles of discipline and meaningful intent. Here are 7 good night messages that resonate deeply. The anchor of the day: sleep well, knowing today was enough. Tomorrow brings its own challenges. This message reassures her that you embrace reality and find peace in gratitude, inviting her to rest without striving. In a world filled with chaos, your calm presence is a refuge. Let her drift into sleep, comforted by the knowledge that she is enough, just as she is. The gentle reminder of virtue: may your dreams reflect the beauty of your soul and the courage you showed today. By acknowledging her strength, you show respect for her essence, creating a connection that transcends superficial attraction. Your words honor her true self, reminding her that her inner light shines brighter than any external validation. This recognition fosters a bond that is both rare and precious. The call to reflection: before sleep takes you, consider, what did you do today that truly mattered? This encourages self-awareness and introspection, allowing her to sense your dedication to personal growth. In this moment of reflection, she can find clarity and purpose, understanding the impact of her actions. Your gentle nudge inspires her to embrace her journey with intention and grace. The assurance of presence: even as the night separates us, know that I am here, valuing your strength and peace. Your steadfastness offers her comfort and trust, allowing her to rest easy. This unwavering support creates a safe space for her to be vulnerable, knowing she is cherished. Your presence, though distant, is a constant reminder that she is never alone. The wisdom of transience: let today's worries drift away. Nothing lasts forever, not even this night. This message encourages her to embrace the fleeting serenity of the moment, reflecting your own ease with uncertainty. By acknowledging the impermanence of life, you invite her to savor the beauty of now. Together, you can find solace in the shared understanding that every moment is a gift. The bond of shared humanity: as the stars scatter across the sky, remember we are all connected by the same universe. Sleep well, my kindred soul. This highlights our shared existence, transforming your connection into something profound. In this vast cosmos, your words remind her that she is part of something greater. This sense of unity fosters a deep emotional connection that transcends the ordinary. The quiet power of gratitude: thank you for the light you brought to this day. May you rest knowing you've made it brighter. Expressing gratitude elevates her significance in your life, building a bridge of connection. Your heartfelt appreciation reinforces her value, making her feel seen and cherished. In this exchange of gratitude, you both cultivate a bond that nourishes the soul. Conclusion: these messages are not just tools for attraction. They embody a life aligned with Stoic principles. They inspire peace, self-worth, and authentic connection. True strength lies in self-control and virtue, not manipulation. Ultimately, the silent force of a character rooted in wisdom speaks louder than words ever could. As you share these sentiments, remember that the essence of connection is found in the authenticity of your heart. Let your words be a reflection of the profound bond you seek to nurture.